thought I might introduce myself to you all today. So hello, my name's Owen. I am one of the co-creators of the Campfire Collective, and it's been Greg and I and his son Emmett who have built most of what I'm sitting in right now. Yeah, nice to meet you all. Sitting in here listening to the rain right now, and it is so peaceful. I think Greg said this last video. He said he wanted to record it, put it as he's going to sleep alarm or something, and I totally get what he's saying. And there seems to be no leaks in here, so that's good. Take back what I said earlier, because there's definitely water getting in here. Not a lot, but it's seeping in through the wall somewhere. So we'll have to imagine in this corner a little bit too. Just yesterday, Greg and I were in here, and we were trying to decide, because we're at the point now of building beds in here. So we were debating if we should make the beds in an L shape, so it'd be one bed there, or have one bed there and another bed here.
And then you got the butter. It's almost straight. Oh, straight wood. What a wonderful thing. Well, took me half the day to get here, but hopefully Owen kept you company. I know that you missed me. I understand. I missed you too. Oh yes. Oh yes it does. Doesn't open, it does. It's a little tight. Good option for a saw. Screws are a little long. That's what I've got.
Here at the Campfire Collective, we combine our annies and have it with chicken.
The chicken that we make is so unbelievable. We slow cook it off to the side of the fire.
It was cooking for probably
2 hours easy.
Yeah.
Like really slow.
It's definitely a little bit overcooked.
I don't think so at all.
Yeah.
You think? I don't know. Pretty
I
juicy.
just remember that first time that we slow cooked it, and it was like perfect. And we had it with the chips and the salsa. But that's hard to replicate. It's good.
Except we cook it again, slow, with chips and salsa. So chicken and Annie's mac and cheese for dinner. After a good time of chinking and complete the door. Oh, it is a little dry.
chinking, some caulking. Yeah. Door handle. The door is totally done.
Soon we'll be
Cool.
able to build inside, which is pretty cool. We'll be in it before we know it. So thanks for joining us.
Adios.
Amigos.